What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I got this 2009 Honda Civic here. Customer complaint, AC is not as cold, and I can feel that it's not as cold as it should be. So it's running, AC compressor is running. Okay, there you go, you can see the compressor is running, but the AC is not blowing as cold as it's supposed to. I feel cold air, but not as much like it should be. So it's not cold enough, and I don't feel the line too cold. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna service the system. The proper way to do it is we're gonna recover everything. Oh, one more thing, pay attention to both of your fans. Both radiator fans, this is considered an AC fan, they both should be running, okay? Both of them are running right now, so that's a good thing. So I do feel it doesn't have enough Freon, so we're gonna take our AC machine and hook it up. Okay, so I got my machine hooked up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna suck everything out of that machine. A lot of people use cans, but I do not recommend, because it's a temporary thing, because it doesn't pull out air, moisture out of the system. So to get it nice and cold air, have the system working properly, you do want to vacuum the system. So let's leave this here. What I like to do is I like to recover. So whatever the Freon is in there, this machine is gonna take it all out. So we're gonna recover. Let's press enter. If you have too much in the system, is no good. Too little is no good. So it's gonna start to recover. We'll see how much the system had. Even if it had the correct amount, but you never know. It might be an air pressure. Somebody must have charged it before. You will see a sticker under the hood, but this car doesn't have it, but it's okay. We'll see. Okay, it does have it right here. So maximum with the Freon, it needs 15.9 ounce. That's the maximum right there. And let's see how much this pulls out. This is gonna go by pounds. So that's it. We're gonna let this thing recover. So the machine is still running, 24 seconds left. So I did the calculation. This one, 15.9 ounces is exactly 0.994 of a pound. So it's a little bit less than 1 pound. Let's see how much the machine recovers. Again, if it recovers the correct amount, good. But like I said, it could be that there's a disturbed pressure, air pressure, hot fumes. It could be crazy stuff, but we are looking at a correct amount. So far we have 0.97 pound. So it is pulling out correct amount of Freon right there. It's going a little bit more than a 1 pound. So having too much is no good. So if somebody charges it with cans, too much is no good either, right? So doesn't look good too much. But anyway, it still should have worked. It could be that they have a bad compressor that's not building up pressure, but you do need to do the service properly and add correct amount of oil. So the machine is gonna pull out of oil here. So we are gonna be putting oil in with this injection system right here I have. So let's give it a moment, and then we're gonna vacuum the system for 20 minutes. That's what we're gonna do. So there you go, it's pulling out the oil. We're gonna give it a moment, and then it should tell us it's done. So it did have a correct, almost close to the amount that we needed, but that was a maximum, was a 0.99, but it doesn't matter. So let's vacuum. We're gonna vacuum now. Enter. Nope. 20 minutes, that's what we want. Leak test, no. So 20 minutes, what it's gonna do is it's gonna pull out everything from the system. It's gonna vacuum the whole system, moisture, air, whatever's in there, it's gonna pull everything out. So that way it's just pumping Freon when the compressor goes on and off. So 20 minutes later, we're gonna put oil with this injection system, and then we're gonna charge the system up. Okay, vacuum has completed. Let me turn this light on. So I did put oil in this guy. So we have oil up in here, and you can't put too much oil either, so everything has to be perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna close this valve and pop this open. Right now we got vacuum pressure, so this thing is gonna just take everything in there like it's supposed to. So let's just, I'll probably have to work with one hand. This is gonna be a tough one. So that looks good right there. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this guy, and it's gonna inject all the oil into the system. Then we're gonna remove this guy. And let me get my camera back up. Let me grab my light. We're gonna put this back in. So the oil is injected in there. That's the only way to inject the oil. If you have a high pressure, I tried. With high pressure, the thing just won't turn. Right now we got a vacuum in there, so it's a suction pressure. So let's go into the system. I just want to make sure this is a 09, so the 10th letter is 9. And we're gonna charge the system. We're gonna go to charge, enter. No. We're gonna press continue. We're gonna look for 2009, enter. And look for Honda, enter. Civic. So it does give you the option 1.3 or 1.8. So it doesn't matter, the system needs the same amount of oil. I mean the Freon. So 0.99. Okay, so continue. It's gonna push it to 0.99. Okay, we're gonna use both lines. Both, enter, start. Cold, cold. I like to push it through both lines so it throws in there perfectly amount. Sometimes it'll cut off. .96, 97. Oh, there you go. It's jumping up and down. So the machine throws it in there. We don't need to have the compressor running. Done. So this is done. So what we're gonna do is remove the lines. Remove this line. Pressure's in there. Close the cap. Let's open this valve also. Pressure, baby. There you go. I'm gonna put away the machine, and then we're gonna try out the AC system. Okay, so let's start up the engine. AC is running, it's on, it clicked on. Oh yeah, it's colder, much colder. That's it, that's how you do an AC system. So the proper way to do it is vacuum the system, and that should take care of everything. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. I want to let you know, this is a good sign of a good AC. Okay, so if your car is dripping a lot of water, that's a good sign.